Hey everyone, it's time for the latest GoSkills Excel challenge. This month's challenge was submitted by our community member, Ilgar Zabariev. Follow along and see if you can solve it yourself. Welcome back everyone. In this month's Excel challenge, we're going to be working with calendars. And more specifically, we've got a project plan divided into different stages. Along the way, naturally, we'll encounter some weekends, and we don't work on Saturdays and Sundays. We also won't be working on official holidays, and the list of those is here in column O. Well, we've been asked to calculate two different numbers for each of these project stages: the number of calendar days and the number of working days. Calendar days include everything, including weekends and holidays. Working days do not. Does that make sense? Well, this task can be made much easier by using the appropriate Excel formulas to ensure both calculations are accurate, dynamic, and scalable. The results should automatically update if stage dates or the holiday list change. So, can you figure out how to approach this challenge? We're going to need those numbers, so best of luck. Do you have what it takes to complete this challenge? To get started, click the link below to download all the files you need. Let us know how you're doing in the comments section. Or, even better, join the GoSkills Slack channel and chat with other Excel pros about your progress. Link in the description. If you'd like to know the solution to this challenge, hit that subscribe button and get notified when the next video drops with all the step-by-step instructions on how to solve it. Good luck, everybody!